lemonade? Annie never lets me have fizzy drinks.
Yeah, 'cause the bubbles give you gas. I think you should have as many fizzy drinks as you want. Oh, Beatrice, this is not going to be pretty.
Excuse me.
Come on, Pony. We've got a fun-filled day ahead.
Ooh, a penny.